Today, students will decode and spell multisyllabic words using vowel patterns. You will sort words into groups according to their long vowel teams. Watch this video.
When two vowels go walking, sometimes the first vowel does the talking. When two vowels go walking, sometimes the first vowel does the talking. They walk together in words like this. The O, A in boat are vowels. When you say the word boat, you only hear the O sound. Boat, boat, boat. The E, A in beat are vowels. When you say the word beat, you only hear the E sound. Beat, beat, beat. The A, I in rain are vowels. When you say the word rain, you only hear the A sound. Rain, rain, rain. The O, A in coat are vowels. When you say the word coat, you only hear the O sound. Coat, coat, coat. When two vowels go walking, sometimes the first vowel does the talking. When two vowels go walking, sometimes the first vowel does the talking. They walk together in words like this. The A, I in train are vowels. When you say the word train, you only hear the A sound. Train, train, train. The I, E in pie are vowels. When you say the word pie, you only hear the I sound. Pie, pie, pie. The O, E in toe are vowels. When you say the word toe, you only hear the O sound. Toe, toe, toe. The E, A in team are vowels. When you say the word team, you only hear the E sound. Team, team, team. When two vowels go walking, sometimes the first vowel does the talking. Sometimes the first vowel does the talking.
So in this video, they talked about vowel teams. So those two vowels together are a team. Now there's going to be one exception. We've talked about this before. The English language has exceptions to the rules. So most of the time, if there's two vowels in a team, this rule will apply, but not always. Think of the word steak. S-T-E-A-K. There's not a long vowel sound in that, so that would be an exception. But today we're going to talk about those words that do follow this rule. We're also going to add an extra team in there, and we'll talk about that in a moment. Now, here are the teams that we're going to be working with today. You see AI, OA, EE, AY, EA. Oh, wait. OW. W is not a vowel. W is a consonant. That's the team that I said we're going to watch for today. It's still going to follow the vowel team rule, even though this team has a guest. It's not a vowel. That consonant was invited into this team. And that OW team, we say the long O sound when we read those words. You'll see an example in a moment. Let's look at the word away. Say that word. How many syllables are in the word away? Way. 2 syllables. We can also identify that there is a vowel team in this word. Because remember, Y is sometimes a vowel. So AY is our vowel team. So when we see this team together, in the word away, the A is the long vowel sound. Let's look at another example. Windows. Windows. Say that. How many syllables in the word windows? 2. Windows. Windows. Now let's look and see if we see a vowel team. Well, I see the vowel I in win, and I see the vowel O in doze. I also remember from what we had talked about earlier that sometimes that O and W team together and make the O say its name or the long vowel sound. Windows. OW is the team that we're looking for. That's the spelling pattern we were looking for in windows. Now, for your assignment, you are going to complete the Google slide in your Google assignment. It's a word chart similar to the chart from yesterday. Go ahead and open that now. All right, while you look at your Google assignment, you're going to see a word chart. And on the left-hand column, you're going to see long A vowel teams, AI and AY. Long E vowel teams, EE and EA. Long O vowel teams, OA and OW. Now, let's look at the words in the word bank. I'll read those for you. Ailment, agreement, coaching, easy, mower, delay. I want you to put those in the correct box in the word chart. Do that now. Be sure to check your spelling. Remember, when the words are supplied for us, we want to be sure that we spell the word correctly. Now, you're going to notice you have a box at the bottom that has some sentences. These are sentences from our earthquake passage yesterday. You are going to look at each of these sentences. You're going to read them to yourself, and you are going to underline the word in each sentence with a long vowel syllable that includes a vowel team. So we're going to identify the words that have long vowel syllables that include a vowel team. Number 1, if you are in bed, cover your head with a pillow. 2, use the radio to hear reports explaining how bad things are. 3, it can easily take days or weeks for the things to get back to normal. You may underline or you may highlight, as long as I know which word you have selected or words in each sentence. Take your time and do a great job. Turn this in for a grade.